another beautiful Friday morning in Florida. Man, it is about 9:20 and it is just gorgeous again. So it's Friday again, and what does that mean? That means it is the Fellowship Friday where we get together usually on the internet. Today is a special day. But again, so today's a pretty exciting day for two reasons. First, I get to see some other fellows in person because we're doing a photo shoot today. We're getting all of our professional headshots taken by some phenomenal photographer who's decided to do this for free for us. So that's awesome. Thank you, sir. And so I gotta go get changed, get my nice duds on, and take the trip down to Tampa to get our photo taken. Okay, so, and after that, I got an exciting journey coming up for you. Not associated with Hiring Our Heroes, but it's pretty cool. So let's go, let's get changed. Okay, so let's get our fancy duds on. I look good. Let's go. I'm slowly, I think I'm ready. I think it's ready. I'm slowly. All right, here getting my photo.
Yeah, that's right.
Here's Alan. And,
oh yeah.
First time I've seen him in person, so
I know. Yeah, finally.
That's right.
You know? And then look at this man. This man, why he wanted to be in the picture. He wanted to be on camera. You want to be on camera? Okay, here you go. Here you go. All right, say hi. All right, now.
All right.
Good to meet you.
You too. I think they're waiting on me.
All right, now.
I better hurry. The miscommunication in time, and it seems as though I'm like the last one and I'm running a little late. So let's get in here.
Nice to meet you. So nice to meet you. And then we've got...
So that's Alexandria. Finally.
Yes.
I met Alan out in the parking lot.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. Awesome. Sorry, miscommunication.
I know. So let's, you'll take your mask off for this and then go like now.
That's awesome, thanks. There we go. Oh, all right.
Sean, what's going on? Yeah.
It's Sean, Josh, right? Sean, I mean, he never stops talking.
I'm the photo bomb. Whatever's going on here.
Yeah.
Hey.
All right.
We live right here?
Not live, but this will be on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah. So, right?
Yeah. HOA.
Yeah. All right. And everybody looks good today.
Got to.
All right. This is custom tailored for me. Okay, all done. Thank you, Alexandra.
Oh my gosh, so great to meet you.
Yeah, all of you.
We got...
And we got to get us a little mask like yours, little Hiring Our Hero
Yes,
mask.
absolutely.
Okay, and by the way, anybody want to come to the Florida area, she's awesome. Okay, she's been awesome, right? Yeah, all right. See you later. All right, before I go on my trip, we thought we'd have some lunch here at a new Tampa location called Armature Works. So let's try this out and see what it looks like and what the food's like. Okay, here on the Hillsborough River in Tampa. I say new because 5 years ago when we were here, this place didn't exist.
muchachos, huh? Or is it, yeah, muchachos?
Yeah.
All right, let's get some tacos.
What's that?
Crema caliente hot sauce or something. All right, as typical for us in Tampa, we got tacos. I got the carnitas, the chicken, and the chorizo. We'll see how they are. Done. You want the works? Yeah.
Gonna get the big guy. Cup.
This ice cream, what's it supposed to look like? Is it a Monster ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah? Grace?
Yeah.
I can barely hear you.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see how of a Monster ice cream this is. Okay, we'll show you the reveal here soon. Whoop, go get it. Let me see. Whoa, man. All right, out of there and into the sun. It's like pretty hot today. Probably in the 80s, let's see. 80 degrees. Tampa life. It's almost like torture, isn't it? Almost. And of course, it wouldn't be anything Tampa unless we had something to do with a pirate or Buccaneers. Pretty cool. So that's where we were at Armature Works. Now this is the riverwalk here in Tampa. Keeps going here. And then all the way under the bridge. Downtown Tampa. So where am I going? See when we get there. At the Tampa airport. More to follow. So where am I going? Got a long sleeve shirt. I got some pants on, not shorts, and a t-shirt and flip-flops. I'll tell you that.
If anyone would like to pre-board the aircraft, welcome aboard, or you may board at your leisure.
to the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on our A320 aircraft. There are safety information cards in the seat backs in front of you that illustrate the safety equipment on this aircraft. You may use the card to follow along. Federal regulations require compliance with this information as well as all crew member instructions, flight information signs, and posted placards. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your hips. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the middle tip into the buckle until it clicks. Tighten by pulling on the loose end of the belt. To open your seatbelt, lift the middle flap on the buckle. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated. There are emergency exits located in the front, mid cabin, and back of the aircraft. All exits are closed.